Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Veeva Systems Cloud, complete guide step by step clearly. Investing in Veeva Systems Cloud begins with thorough research. Start by understanding what Veeva Systems does. Veeva Systems provides cloud-based solutions for the global life sciences industry. Gather information on their products, especially Veeva Vault and Veeva CRM. Review the latest company financials available in quarterly and annual reports. Analyze their market position and competitive landscape. Identify major competitors and their respective market strategies. Look at Veeva's growth potential by examining industry trends. Consider the impact of regulations on the pharmaceutical and biotechnology sectors. Open a brokerage account if you do not already have one. Choose a reputable online brokerage that meets your needs. Research the available investment options such as stocks and ETFs. Locate Veeva's ticker symbol, which is VEV. Decide how much you want to invest. Look at Veeva's stock performance history. Evaluate the current market conditions before placing your buy order. Use limit orders to have more control over your purchase price. Monitor Veeva's announcements regarding product launches and partnerships. Keep track of their earnings releases throughout the year. Review analyst opinions and forecasts on Veeva's stock. Consider dollar cost averaging to mitigate volatility risk. Diversify your investment portfolio to minimize potential losses. Stay updated on industry news that could impact Veeva's performance. Reassess your investment strategy periodically based on company performance. Be prepared for long-term commitment as Veeva is in a growth sector. Document your investment decisions and the rationale behind them. Consult with financial advisors if you need personalized advice. Continue educating yourself on market trends and investment strategies. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.